Assalamu alaikum dear student. Okay dear student, today our student learning outcomes are purpose, syntax and example of switch statement. The switch statement is similar to the else if statement. It is used when multiple choices are given and one choice is to be selected. The switch statement has the following journal form you can see on the screen. When switch statement is executed, the expression is evaluated. Based on the result of expression, one of the case in the switch statement is executed. The result of expression is compared with the constant values given after the keyword case. If the result matches the constant value after any case, then the statements under that case are executed. In switch statement, it is allowed to use a variable within the parenthesis instead of an expression based on which statement under a case can be executed. The purpose of break statement is to exit the body of the switch statement after executing the statement under a case and transfer control to the first statement following the end of the switch statement. If no case is matched, then the statements under the default keyword are executed. Its use is optional. If it is not used, then the control exits from the body of the switch statement and goes to the first statement following the end of the switch statement. The expression should be of type integer, character, but not float. Now advantages and limitation of switch statement. The switch statement allows a variable to be compared against a list of constant values. When there is a match to a case, the statement following that case will execute until a break statement is reached. This makes the logic of program simple and easy to understand. The switch statement has a limitation. It is not allowed to use relational operators in the expression of switch statement. For example, to check for passing marks, the condition marks greater than 32 cannot be used in switch statement. It is also not possible to check for a range such as marks greater than equal to 70 and marks less than equal to 80 in a switch statement. For this purpose, the programmer has to use if else or else if statement. This is our first program to use switch statement, and the purpose of this program to read grade letter and print performance status. That is our required program. You can see on the screen at line number 1 our header file IO stream, standard namespace, declaration of main function, starting of main function. At line number 5 we have declared a variable C, a type of character. Now at line number 7 we will accept grade letter A to D from the user end. At line number 8 we apply switch statement on variable C. Now this is the starting of switch statement with curly braces. That is our first case. If user enter A, then the message will print excellent performance. And remember student, the purpose of break statement is to exit the body of the switch statement after executing the statements under a case. Now at line number 12 our second case B, if user type B then it will print good performance, and then break statement is used to exit the body of the switch statement. Now at line number 15 we have declared another case with letter C. If user enters C, then the message will print satisfactory performance, and then break statement is used to exit the body of the switch statement. Line number 18 you can see another case, that is D. If user type D, then it will print poor performance, and at last default message. It is optional message If we don't write this default statement, our program will execute, but it is good practice to use default statement. If user enter grade letter other than A to D, then it will print wrong grade letter. This is the end of switch statement with curly braces, and that is the end of main function. Okay, dear student, these are some possible outputs you can see on the screen. If user enter D grade, then it will print poor performance. If user enter C, then it will print satisfactory performance. For example, if user enter grade other than A to D, let's say E, then it will print wrong grade letter due to the use of default statement. Okay, dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.